Today we will learn how to embed BoloForms in a website. First, navigate to Settings, Developer section, and Embed Code. Open the Show Code example and copy the given example code. This example code demonstrates a minimal version of how the API interface can be interacted with. It can be adapted into any projects just by adding the CDN link and you're ready to go. For now, I'll run this example file. As you can see, it is showing an invalid key. To get your embedding key, just navigate to the same tab and click on Generate Key. I've already generated mine, so I'll just copy my key. In the example code, replace the placeholder key with your own key. Save the file, and you can see the UI has been changed. Now you can see that a container has been initialized, and there are several buttons below the container. These buttons just demonstrate how to interface with the API. So first, initialize and reinitialize just basically creates a new instance or reinitializes the current existing instance. Destroy instance. If any given instance is present, it will destroy the given instance. Show or hide container. These two buttons are basically UI toggles which change the display property of the given container. Reload iframe. Reload iframe will reload the current view that is visible in the given instance. Create PDF, as you can see, there are two buttons in the instance as well as outside, which is an interface. These two buttons perform the same action, is to navigate us to the create PDF page. Set session info. Session info can be used to tracking usage and segregate context based on the current session info. Basically, a given session will have its own set of contacts and will not be visible to any other session. Similarly, you can reset any given session info. That is, it basically clears the given current session info. Open document ID. So if you have any unfinished or drafted documents, you can just copy the document ID and edit it into the embedder. So basically, you can just completely edit the drafted document. So you drag some signature and initials, and you can also send it via the same instance. After sending, it will navigate you back to the same page, and that was the home. So this is how you use BoloForms embedding in your own website or web app.